Hi, Kinders. Welcome to week 2, day 2. We're going to begin our lesson, which is unit 4, lesson 29 today. And remember, in your instructional video, it'll say module 4, lesson 29. Same thing. Alrighty. So your materials for today is you're going to need paper, pencil, and some crayons, okay, to show your thinking. Now in the video, it'll say grab your dry erase board and your dry erase marker. If you have those, great. If not, paper and pencil work great too. So our learning goal for today is I can draw pictures with 5 groups to add to 9. So we know that we're going to draw pictures. We're going to use 5 groups, which help us to stay organized, and we're going to add to 9. So our number, our whole number, is 9. Yesterday, when you were learning about how to figure out how to get to your whole number. But now we know what the whole is for today. So you're going to pause this video and then click on your instructional video to learn about all the different ways that you can add to 9 using your 5 group. And now remember, at the end, you're going to do your exit ticket and show your thinking. And then when you're finished, come back, and then we'll go over our exit ticket and go straight into the practice set. Okay, don't forget to pause. Alrighty, welcome back. How did you do? Were you able to draw pictures using your 5 groups to add to 9? Great. So let's see what our exit ticket was. Okay, exit ticket says there were 9 flowers in the vase. There were 6 red flowers and 3 white flowers. So let's see what our picture could have looked like. Okay, I see 5, 6. So I see 6 red flowers and 1, 2, 3 white flowers. Now, if you're on white paper, you can just draw your white flowers or draw them in a different color to show that the flowers were white. Okay, so let's use our number bond to help us figure out our parts and our whole. So we started with how many flowers in the vase? That's right, 9. And then there were 6 red flowers. And how many white flowers? 3. Right. Okay, so how did your thinking turn out? Were you able to show your red and your white flowers? Great. So we're going to use what we learned here to continue into our practice. Okay, so today we're working with word problems. And we're going to work through the problems and learn some possible solutions. And then when it's your turn, you're going to pick one of the problems on this page and one of the problems on the other page to help show your thinking when you need to share your work. Okay, so this one says, Izzy had a tea party with 7 teddy bears and 2 dolls. There were 9 friends at the party. You're going to fill in your number bond and your number sentence. Now, this one already has our whole filled in because we started off with 9 friends at the party. So now we're going to fill in our parts. So it says 9 equals blank plus blank. So let's look at our picture. It shows 5, 6, 7 teddy bears and 1, 2 dolls. So if we're filling in our number bond, one part should be teddy bears and the other part should be dolls. So when you're filling in your number sentence, one part should be, right, teddy bears, and the other part should be dolls. Okay. Now this problem is about Robin. Robin had 9 vegetables on her plate. She had 3 carrots and 6 peas. Draw the carrots and peas in the 5 group way. Fill in the number sentence. So if you forgot, how many parts you had, you can always go back to your picture here. There are 1, 2, 3 carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 peas. So we're going to draw our carrots and peas in the 5 group way, because remember, the 5 group way helps us to stay organized. And then we're going to fill in our number sentence. Okay. We have 3 carrots. We don't quite have 5 yet, so that means we're going to use the 6 peas to help complete our 5 group. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we have 6 peas added. So our picture shows that we have 3 carrots and 6 peas. So when we're filling in our number sentence, we can say that 9 equals 3 plus 6. But you can do that on your own. You do it. Let's see when the next problems are. Okay, it says Shane played with 5 toy zebras and 4 toy lions. He had 9 animal toys in all. Draw black and tan circles to show the zebras and the lions in the 5 group way. Fill in the number sentence. Okay, so on our picture on the side, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toy zebras. 1, 2, 3, 4 toy lions. So we need to draw a 5 group using our black and tan. If you don't have tan, you can always use a different color to represent lions, like yellow or orange. Let's see, 5 toy zebras. I can see automatically that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It always helps to recount. And then 4 toy lions. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to use what I have here, my picture, to help me figure out my blank plus blank equals blank. Let's see. We have how many toy zebras? Woo! 5. And how many toy lions? 4. And so 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 should be our whole. That's the number we're working with today, right? 9. So we always have to double check to make sure our picture and our number sentence matches with our parts. Now this one didn't have a number bond, but you're welcome to draw one if it helps you to stay organized. Let's try this problem. Jimmy had 9 marbles. 8 were red and 1 was green. Draw the marbles in the 5 group way. Fill in the number bond and number sentence. Okay, so it's a blank space here for our picture, and we have a number bond and a number sentence to complete. But already we can sort of kind of fill in our number sentence and number bond because we know what the whole is. How many marbles did we start with? Right, we started with 9. So let's fill in our number sentence, our whole. So we started with 9 here, and we can fill in the whole here. So now our parts were 8 were red and 1 was green. Okay, so here's a picture of red marbles. Let's make sure that they're 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Or you could have counted them one at a time. All right. And 1 was green. So these are our 2 parts, 8 and 1. So we can fill in the red part and the green part in our number sentence, and the red part and the green part in our number bond. Okay, so we've worked through possible ways to solve our 4 problems. Remember, your job is to pick 2 problems today to show your thinking. One from the first page and one from this page. Okay. All righty. So how was your learning today? Did you draw pictures using your 5 groups to add to 9? Great. That was our goal today. Give yourselves a pat on the back. So to continue your learning, remember you have 2 problems to show your thinking. You're going to add them on the Padlet. Remember to share your work on our page so I can see how well you're doing. Okay? So I want you to try your best and do a great job and stay safe. See you later. Bye.